Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell products from AliExpress all the way to your Shopify. Now with that being said, let's head on to the computer browser, and you can choose any browser that you want. And now first go to the www.shopify.com. This is the Shopify website, and once you're in the Shopify website, just click on login right here to log in into your account, or click on sign up now to sign up if you still don't have an account. Now, in my case, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click on login right here, and I'm gonna go to the store that I want to integrate my AliExpress and Shopify together. So I'm just gonna click on the store, and once you are in the store, we will use a third-party website or a third-party application called Deezers. Now, Deezers and AliExpress are partners when it comes to drop shipping. So once you have a Deezers account, or once you integrate Deezers and Shopify, automatically you will be selling products from AliExpress, because Deezers and AliExpress are both partners. So go into the search right here, and before, just click on apps and go into the search to find apps right here, and I'm just gonna say Deezers right about there and wait for your results to load. And as you can see right here, make sure to click on this Deezers AliExpress dropshipping. So you don't need to integrate Deezers and AliExpress already, because they are now partners. And now just click on Deezers AliExpress, and now just click on add app right here. And once you have done that, you need are you sure you want to bind the Deezers account using this email? So just click on yes right about here. Once you have done that, just click on install app under Shopify, and now you are good to go. You will be redirected to the Deezers application or the Deezers website. So now you are good to go. So just select a product that you want to sell or to import to your Shopify. So as you can see, my products lists are empty, so let's fill this up by importing some of my products or some AliExpress products to Shopify. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna click on this one right here. This is the Litokala, I think this is a battery charger, or correct me if I'm wrong, or what is this? So that isn't important. So the important thing is I want to show you how we can import products from Deezers AliExpress to our Shopify store. So just click on add to import list. As you can see right here, it is imported. And if you want to add more products, let's go to another product right here. Let's add this product. This is a nice suit. Just click on add to import list again. And next we'll add another product. So let's add a product like this. I think this is a women's boots. So just click on add to import list again. So once you have done that, just click on import list here. So as you can see right here, these are the products that I recently imported from Deezers AliExpress. Now to import that to Shopify, all you have to do is click on the certain product that you want to import to Shopify, and just simply click on push to Shopify. So I'm gonna click on push to Shopify, and now make sure to select the store of your choice right here, and the pricing ruling. You can read on this real quick if you want, and also you can just check continue selling when out of stock, and also publish to online store. So once I have done that, just click on publish to Shopify. And as you can see, there are 2 products being published, and just wait for all of your products to be published, and you will get a confirmation that all of your products has been published. So in my case, I have 1 failed published product, but I have successfully pushed 2 products. So once I go to my product section right here, I'll need to reload on this real quick, and as you can see, 2 of my products has been imported from Deezers AliExpress. Now probably the reason why your products has been failed to be pushed is because the stock has a zero stock, or let's just check a status right here. The product contains 100 more SKUs, so make sure to have a less than 100 SKUs if you want to import that product. So with that being said, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have a question, just feel free to comment down your question below, and I'm going to try to answer it as soon as I can. So with that being said again, thank you for watching this video, and please give this video a like if you find this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!